I went from 200 to over 400 subscribers in just a few months, and today I'm breaking down exactly how I did that. Hey sugar babies, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, that means you want to grow fast, and I got you. I went from 200 to over 400 subscribers in just a few months, and today I'm breaking down exactly how I did that. No fluff, no secret, just real steps you can copy. The first and foremost thing, my content got more specific. I realized that faceless or aesthetic clips like Gym Girl Era or POV, which means point of view, or sew-in transformations were blowing up. That told me one thing: people love transformation and vibes content. So I doubled down. I started posting more gym and beauty vlogs, hair tutorials, and transformative shorts. That niche focus got me seen. Next, I cleaned up my long form and short form videos with better hooks. YouTube rewards retention, so here are the things that I started doing. Opening with an emotional statement like POV, you're in your gym girl era. Cutting the fluff so the energy never dropped. Using jump cuts, bold text overlays, and zooms so every 3 to 5 seconds feels fresh. The result: more watch time, better rankings, and new subscribers. So I only post twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays, so my audience knows when I drop. Here is my formula. On Mondays, high watch time vlogs. 10 to 15 minutes maybe is the max that I do for my videos, like my day in the life videos or vlogs. I try to keep them 10 to 15 minutes long, and if they're not 10 to 50 minutes, they could be no more than 30 minutes. On Thursdays, skincare, perfume videos, or hair tutorials tied to trend. Plus, I post a short every weekend from repurposed content, so there's always something going live. This keeps YouTube's algorithm liking me. Then SEO came. SEO is search engine optimization. So I added keywords and titles like Gym Girl Era, glueless wig install, TikTok perfumes. I also did keyword field descriptions and tags. Make sure it's 10 to 15 optimized tags per video. And then last and foremost, I did customized thumbnail with bold, readable text and confident facial expressions. I also set playlists up so new subscribers can binge my content daily and easily. Engagement is key. Ask specific CTAs. CTA is call to action. You could say things like, drop a heart emoji if you like this video. Responding to every comment for community and watch time. Using the community tab for polls. You could do TikTok perfumes and sneak peeks. This boosted both watch time and subscriber loyalty. YouTube's algorithm helps, but you have to help yourself too. I shared short clips on TikTok and reels with links to my YouTube video. Thumbnails on my stories with the link. You can also share your posts in Facebook group. These external pushes brought more attention to my channel. Here's where it all shows. My top short were Gym Girl Era. It got 1.4 thousand views. Sew-in transformation got 1.3 thousand views. My weekly vlogs averaged 400 to 600 views, from 200 to 410 in the last month. If I can grow in a niche with beauty and lifestyle related content yet emotional, you can too. So that's your step-by-step growth plan. Focus niche and aesthetic content, immediate hooks and consistent posting, SEO ready titles, thumbnails and tags, engagement and comment, and community, cross-platform promotion. If you're ready to scale your channel too, drop "I'm growing" in the comment and share this with a content bestie. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. It means the world to me if you do that.